Friday afternoon, April 22nd. Dylan and I are at Stony Creek Anglers, and we are going to help stock and build a ramp for the disabled kids for tomorrow morning's kids tournament. So we'll see you out there.
$12. $13. Same. We'll go 12. I didn't count that little one.
Oh yeah, lots of valleys. That's cool. Are you counting?
Damn it.
There's some big boys in there. Yeah.
Get out of there. There we go, Paul.
That's it.
That's a good load.
That's a good scoop.
Ah, there's gold in here. Somebody want to grab
You want me to get it out?
Grab it out of there. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. What do you think? Pretty cool? You ever seen anything like this?
I did not think this would be what the hatchery looks like.
Yeah, right? It's pretty neat. Oh, there's some brookies in there.
Yeah, there's a couple mixed in.
Nice. Cool. We just got to see him stock all the, or pull all the fish out for stocking in a little bit. Dill's gonna get his waders on, and we're gonna help stock, and then maybe help build the platform for the disabled area for the kids. Right into the tree.
Got him, bud. It's a little heavy. A little heavy.
All right.
There they go, Age. Coming down again. Got it, bud. There's a Palomino in this one. Palomino, Age. Coming down. Last one, guys. This is the last one. And then we're going up.
All right. Yeah, Dill.
A couple nice ones in there. Got it, bud.
Nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go up top now. Come on, Age.
Oh, nice brook.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're hooked on the brownies. What kind of fish are they? Rainbows or
Watch that. One down.
That one can go.
Another Palomino, yeah.
Big Palomino. Good?
Yeah, you got it.
All right, bud, come on. We'll take this one down.
All right, you gonna put them in? Yeah. All right, go ahead. You can help. Make sure they don't fall in. There you go.
Yeah, we're going to.
Yeah, a little video camera. No, no palomino.
Walking down to stop.
Yep. Yeah, I think this is good.
They'll go out. They'll go out.
Deep water.
Beautiful.
Gently nudge him out that way if you want. Oh, he's got weight. I just did our part. We helped out for the tournament tomorrow. They stocked a lot of beautiful fish. Some palomino, some brook trout, some beautiful rainbows. So we're gonna get back out here at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tournament starts at 8, and we'll see what we can do. Good morning. It's Saturday, April 23rd. We're back at Stony Creek this morning for the kids tournament. It's looking like a nice morning, so see how we make out. We'll see you on the water. Alright, it's 8 a.m. That was the first cast. He's on. Nice. Nice rainbow. Got it? Alright, let me get a little. You sure you don't want a picture of him?
Yeah.
Beautiful brook trout, missed the fight. Beautiful fish. Oh, saw him come up. Oh, another one's chasing it. Oh, that's cool. Nice. See him roll on it?
Oh yeah, that's so weird.
Yep. Oh, there he is. That's a nice fish. Oh, beautiful fish, dude. That's him. That's definitely him. Not ready yet, huh? Yeah, it should be. That's a really nice rainbow. Nice, dude. Beautiful fish. He's pretty fish, though. Nice job. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful fish. Oh, look at the colors on them.
Oh, eventually, I kind of want to try a trout.
Okay.
See, like he should be pulling dry.
Could be because he needs some wine. Oh, got that.
They're all nice brook trout.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fish.
Like, so hard.
Especially in that faster carrot.
Yeah. I'm not kidding.
Oh, I missed it. Gosh, look at that. What a fish, man. Nice brook. Nice brookie. Nice, dude. Oh. Third, fourth, or fifth one Dylan's caught this morning.
Rainbow?
Yeah, from the rooster kid. Nice, Dill. Oh, and it came up. Beautiful. You want to release him? Nice little rainbow. We had to work hard for this guy. Another one. Another nice rainbow. On the rooster tail. Nice, dude.
Yeah.
And he's off again. Beautiful.
No, the first one was a brook trout, and the second is a different kind of trout.
This is a rainbow. A really pretty fish. Looks like a little brown.
Yeah.
That might be a state stock. I don't think they stock on browns.
I got brown trout.
No, it's a brook.
Okay,
Brook,
no,
yeah.
no, that's a brown.
No, you're right. We had a pretty successful morning on the water, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
We still ended up with, I would say, at least 10, maybe 12 fish. We're going to keep one to take home and try it out tonight. And, it was a fun morning. Great tournament by the Stony Creek Anglers. Thanks, guys. See ya.